Tech isn't just about coding, and it's not just about numbers. It's about mastering the soft skills that truly drive innovation and set you apart. In an industry dominated by rapid change and innovation, the ability to communicate effectively is invaluable. Technical knowledge alone is never enough. It must be complemented by your capacity to articulate ideas clearly and confidently. When complex ideas become clear, your team leans in, they take notes, they nod, they understand. That is the true power of effective communication. As the tech landscape evolves, so must you. The ground beneath is shifting, old ways are dissolving, and new opportunities are rising to take their place. The question is, will you move with it? Adaptability is your greatest asset. Every new tool, every new challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Step forward confidently because the path ahead is brighter than ever. Teamwork in tech is more than just working together. It's about bringing different skills, different perspectives to the same table and building something none of you could build alone. When every voice is heard and every skill is valued, when different minds come together with purpose, something truly magnificent is created, something none of you could have built alone. That is the true power of collaboration. Tech problems are never just solved with algorithms. They demand something deeper, something more human. You have to think around the problem, examine it from every angle, and ask yourself, what am I missing? That is where creativity steps in. When logic hits a wall, creativity finds the door. Step back, rethink, rearrange, and watch the solution reveal itself.
By developing these essential soft skills, communication, adaptability, collaboration, and creative problem-solving, you're not just keeping up with the tech world, you're leading it. Your place in tomorrow's industry starts with what you choose to build today. If this resonated with you, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights like this. Because your growth in tech is only just beginning.